Hi there and welcome back to our exploration of the value chain. Having previously discussed inbound logistics, today we will discuss the role of operations. Let's start. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn how to utilize procurement to improve operational processes, discover strategies for aligning procurement activities with broader operational objectives to drive value creation across your company, recognize the role of procurement in driving continuous improvement and innovation within operations. First of all, let us understand what operations is in the value chain. Operations stand at the core of the value chain, embodying all activities that revolve around the creation and delivery of a product or service. This stage is fundamental as it involves the processes of converting raw materials and labor into outputs like finished goods or services through a series of efficient and value-adding steps. In essence, operations is where the magic happens. Procurement professionals play a crucial role in enabling the smooth integration of components by sourcing high-quality materials. It is important for procurement professionals to understand operations. Why? Because if we do, we can better align our strategies with operational goals, contributing to cost savings and value creation. Let's follow the journey of our beer again. After gathering all our necessary ingredients, we dive into the heart of the brewery, operations. This stage is similar to the kitchen in a restaurant, where raw materials are skillfully transformed into the final product that our customers will enjoy. In beer production, operations involve precise brewing processes, quality assurance checks, efficient bottling lines, and effective packaging methods. These operational activities are critical for producing beer that meets or exceeds consumer expectations in terms of taste, quality, and packaging. For instance, adopting automated brewing systems can enhance production efficiency, while implementing quality control measures can ensure each batch of beer adheres to the desired standards. To maximize value creation through operations, companies must focus on continuous improvement and innovation, incorporating technology and responding dynamically to market changes. Now, if operations isn't up to scratch, it's a whole different story. Inefficient operations can lead to all sorts of trouble. Costs can go up because of waste or delays. The quality of products, like our beer, can dip, and before you know it, customers might start looking elsewhere. If a brewery doesn't get its operations right, it might end up with a beer that doesn't taste good or a brand that people don't trust anymore. And in the long game, that means the competition might take the lead and profitability and revenue can take a hit. So nailing operations is key. For any company, big or small, getting operations right means staying relevant, profitable, and ahead of the game. Template time. In this template, the objective is to analyze and apply operations management concepts to a product or service of your choice. To begin with, select a product or service you are familiar with or interested in. Use the information from the operations lesson to complete the following sections and analyze the operation process for your chosen product or service. Start with the product/service overview, where you should name the product or service and provide a brief description. Then, move on to the operations process section, listing the main input materials, describing the transformation process, and identifying the final output provided to customers. Next, in the technology and innovation section, identify technology that could enhance operations and propose innovative approaches to improve operations or product/service quality. Finally, in the cost savings and value creation section, list strategies to reduce costs and explain how the operation process adds value to your final product or service for the customers. Here's a filled-in example template to provide a clearer understanding of the process. We opted to analyze a coffee category. The sample template will be provided in the template file that is downloadable for your reference. So we recommend reviewing it closely to understand how to complete the empty template. Feel free to pause this video momentarily to explore the various sections. Let me end this lesson by sharing a personal example about operations. In my time as a procurement manager, I found out how crucial it is to understand what is happening at suppliers by visiting their factories as often as you can. During my time as a procurement professional, I made it my habit to visit both new and our current suppliers every Friday, spending the whole day at their facilities. It was insightful to meet the employees of the suppliers, to see the machines and the cleanliness of the factory, and at the production line I also learned which products my suppliers were producing for my competitors. Also, just by showing up and hanging out with the suppliers, we built deeper relationships. They really appreciated me visiting them, and my suppliers were feeling noticed and valued. It wasn't something that paid off right away, but those visits always ended up being worth it for the business and my procurement portfolio in one way or another. See you in the next lesson for more insights into the value chain.